We are in Plaza Grande in Merida, as you can tell by the sign. Just scanning around, check out this street with all these birds in it right here. Scanning around, let's see. You may recognize these people, Jim, Karen, and Sherry from a couple of our other videos. This is really a pretty cool place. A lot of greenery, gathering place. There's some restaurants. So one of our things that we collect here in Mexico is the sun or sun and moon ceramic wall hanging things, and this is quite a few of them in here. I think this might be paradise for Paulette. But this is a pretty cool little place. It was off the street. It didn't look like much outside, and then you come back in here, there's the courtyard, and they're selling a lot of different things over there. This is Plaza Grande at night, and I think we're going to go over to the church, but they have some pretty nice Christmas decorations here. Sorry about the shakiness of the video. We're about to enter the Merida Cathedral.
Probably is a service. Go.
At the Grand Parque. Just take a look at this beautiful Christmas tree that they have in the middle. As you can see, it's open to the sky. There's two tiers. There's a bunch of artwork here. Some murals like that.
That's gorgeous. Look. Absolutely beautiful.
I just want to show you some of the fantastic murals that are in here. Like this one. Here we are, looking down on the courtyard. There's Jimmy waving. Paulette's down there standing next to him. Some more murals in here. They mostly depict people being captured, enslaved, tortured, unfortunately, but these murals are pretty grand in scale. And look at the beautiful woodwork in the windows. This is an example of the kind of shopping that you can do here in Merida. All of these are handcrafted. Pretty amazing to look at, although I would say that things are a little on the expensive side here.
No. For villages. That's where they made the hats.
So they're made here?
Yes.
Okay.
These hats, as an example, are 1,800 pesos, about 90 US dollars.
No, 1,200.
Oh, Paulette got him down to 1,200 pesos.
Well, he said it himself, not me.
Okay. So, Paulette might be buying the hat. We don't know yet. And check out these hand-carved, hand-painted masks. They're pretty cool. Now, that's not hard hand-carved or hand-painted. That's Karen. She's a human.
I was machine made.
Machine made. Now look at all these beautiful colors
Yes,
in
I
here.
know.
Which one do you like it? Enlarged, short? What are your pros?
Love them all, but
This is a good material.
Oh no, it's not. We travel. We don't have room. Like I said, I gotta travel. All I do is travel, so I have no room. No room. I already bought a hat. I already did.
So this is Monumento La Patria. We're gonna walk around here. If you like what we're doing, please consider subscribing to our channel.